Have you guys seen like the price of these bottles? AC Pro 10-minute. These recharge, $50 for one. Yeah, I know it's hot out. It's like the beginning of summer, but as you guys can see, they're selling. Would you guys get these for like, it's like $57, guys. All right. Good thing with this is it comes with this. This is reusable. And if you guys have issues, AC issues, then you know you're gonna want to know where after you fill it up and then it's all gone. That $50 is all gone. You're gonna want to know, like, you know, whether they're still pressurized or not. And this is, you know, this is good. This the nozzle itself, this goes for about, I don't know, around $20 these days. So you're buying the AC for like 2 bottles for like 50. No, 2 bottles for 30 is what you're buying for. Like two bottles for 30. I think a bottle sells for about $10, $11. 10, 11, 22, 42, 46. You know what? If I did all the calculations, if you guys didn't need this, it's probably overpriced. The gauge. If you guys need the gauge, I guess it's like it's just a little bit over above, because I think the no brand ones from Hyper Tough it's about $11 these days. Before it was like $7.89 or something like that, right around that number. Anyway, I'm sure these are pretty decent, but if you guys have any comments on this, definitely let it's got leak sealer, protect systems, extend AC life, all that stuff. To be honest with you, you guys have a good AC system. None of this stuff probably wouldn't cost like $46. I don't think it costs that much. I think you probably have like a better, guys probably get a better deal if you guys didn't need this. No, it does have stock leaks, but drop a comment in the comment section whether this is worth it or not. It's pretty expensive. It's pretty expensive, but it's the start of summer. If you guys have AC problems, man, I'll tell you, it's not fun. So, but anyway, if you guys have a comment, leave a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. All right, guys, take care.